I wish and I hope you're seeing my face. Today I'm going to be making you 3 special kind of smoothies that you need to be drinking on a regular basis to take care of everything from inflammation to skin to weight loss to skin brightening and ageless. And so let's take a look on what I have on the table here. So I think we are going to be starting first of all by making watermelon smoothie. We will use ginger for this watermelon, and we're going to use a little bit of lemon zest because watermelon is packed with a whole lot of natural sugar, and when you consume a lot of watermelon juice, it can turn into something else. So you just want to dilute the sugar by adding a little bit of lemon rind and some ginger. To make this particular smoothie, we need some coconut water, we need some lemon rind. Just take a lemon, use the grater and grate some of the skin. You add it in here. We will use some ice. We are going to be adding the watermelon. And we're going to be adding dates. Date is excellent. It helps to move your bowel and it helps to straighten up your immune system. So this date here has no seed. It's seedless. It is seedless date. We're going to blend. So we're going to turn it up in the funnel measuring cup. It's so easier to put it in a bottle for storage. So watermelon is done. So amazing. I have watermelon. I know, don't worry about the pineapple on the bottle. So we have the watermelon. So moving on to the next smoothie. So we'll be doing pineapple, blueberry, strawberry, and mango. So pineapple, mango, blueberries, and strawberry, packed with powerful antioxidants. It's going to help fight age, wrinkle, give you lots of energy and keep you going. So dice up some pineapple. This is going to be so sweet. Blueberries, mango. I love to use the mango and the skin because the skin of the mango contains a lot of fiber. So in these smoothies here, I am using almond milk, sugar-free almond milk. You want to add almond milk. And I want to add some few dates. So I'm putting 2 dates. Also, fresh almond. This is packed with so much protein, good protein, and good fats for your heart. I will also I have some banana here. Those bananas are frozen. If you have banana and they're getting really overly overripe, put them in the freezer and use it to make some smoothies. It makes your smoothie it makes your smoothies very yummy, extra yummy. at this time we're going to be blending this amazing creamy. The banana is going to make it extra creamy. So let's blend this up. So your berry blast is ready, packed with this berry blast is packed with awesome high natural protein and powerful antioxidants. Really, when you have this in the day, you don't need another meal. If you're looking to lose weight, forget all those protein shakes and make yourself your own protein shake at home. Some of those protein shakes out there are being added with a whole lot of preservatives, which are not good for us. So you make your own, you're sure of what you are ingesting. Gee, this is so amazing. So moving on to the next one. So the next smoothie is all green. This green will also not only be packed with vitamins, it's going to also contain dense amount of protein. So we're going to start by adding some ice. In here is green tea. So you can brew some green tea and add them into any of your smoothies. I learned this by watching another YouTuber's channel, Afi Cuisine. Oh my god, her channel is amazing. If you guys don't know her, please go over and follow her on her page and learn about all the good things, starting from the Western meal, African meal, and the different kinds of shakes. So in here I have some turmeric, which I made a few days ago to help calm down the fever, and for people who have COVID, it worked for them. I will also use some of the liquid. Put it in here. I also want to add some ginger. This is some. So I have shredded ginger. I'm gonna put it in there. Amazing stuff here. This is mint leaf. You don't want to go wrong. I never knew I can put mint leaf on smoothies until I watched Afi's channel. I also have some cilantro. If you have parsley, put parsley. Parsley is good for heavy metal detox. And of course we are adding some spinach. Going to add powerful, good for both your skin and for your intestine and for digestion and for collagen production. Kiwi. You can't go wrong with kiwi. It is also very, very filling. We are also going to be adding a little bit of rosemary. This is going to taste so delicious with some cucumber. Make sure you add some cucumber for extra hydration. Again, I will add some green apple. Green apple, they say, remember when you make your smoothies with apple, remember to include the skin of the apple. It is packed with powerful antioxidants and lots of fiber. I will throw in some dates just for sweet, because nothing in here is sweet. And I will add more. I will add some almond just to give you enough protein in this green. So at this time I am going to blend all green smoothies. I'm going to throw in a little bit of more dates. So let's turn it into the bottle. Yes. 3 most amazing smoothies you must, 3 most amazing smoothies you must take every week. Every week to give you your best, for you to achieve your utmost health benefit. You must consume these 3 smoothies on a weekly basis. The smoothies are ready to be served. Make sure you serve them cool, and it makes a very delicious drink to your guests, your visitors. As a matter of fact, I am going to visit a friend and she will be so shocked that I am bringing her these drinks, and I hope she enjoys it. What do you guys think? Take it to her, keep it at home and drink, because not everybody is a freak of health and not everybody wants to eat the same way that I do. But guys, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Remember, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Bye bye.